Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and I'm here to show you here today how to cheese the Knight's Cavalry boss at Lens Rise, the one that drops the Bloodhound Step Ash of War. So the first thing you gotta do is make sure that it's currently nighttime. These guys only show up at night, and then you're gonna run across the bridge that he patrols on, and try to get him to follow you as you head up the hill that's full of all the little poison traps and all that good stuff. And you don't need him to follow you very far. All you have to do is get him to follow you, and then on the left side, when you look back at the bridge, is this little nook where you can see I died earlier trying to record this. And you want him to follow you into that little nook area and then perform a big sweeping slash. Now, you're not really going to be able to control when he wants to do this big sleeping slash, just like he did there. But if he just follows you back through here a couple of times, he will eventually do that and jump down and fall nearly to his death, if not completely to his death. So there he goes. He tried to do a swing, and then he turned off to his left, and he started falling down the hill. Now, if you're not a ranged character like my sorcerer here, and you don't really have anything to pester him with, you can just walk around up here on the stone walkway, the stone wall, or just above him on the stones above, and he should try to attack you some more, and then he'll fall the rest of the way to his death. Otherwise, if you're like me, you can just slowly start to pick him away until he's dead, and then you'll be able to get your Ash of War Bloodhound Step, which, even though it's been nerfed these days, is still a very strong Ash of War for dodging boss attacks and also the occasional invader attack. It's just not as absolutely ridiculous as it was when this game first came out. So I hope you found that helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.